Hello everyone, meet my fur baby Lucky, and it's only a 3-month-old male Persian kitten. And before the end of this video, I will give you tips on how to keep your fur baby active and healthy like Lucky. Okay, please watch this video till end. Kulit niya, no? Pero nakakawala ng stress. Oh no, baby, huwag yan. Pwede ko pang ibenta yan pag wala nang pambili ng cat food mo. No, baby. At ito na nga ang kanyang multivitamins with lysine and taurine, both beneficial for cat's immune system. Ito naman ang kanyang wet food, Power Cat. By the way, this is not sponsored ha. Ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko for Lucky. And ito naman mga cat treats niya na pwedeng bilhin sa mga online stores like Lazada and Shopee. Oh, Lazada and Shopee, back in the man. Ito naman yung kanyang bread bites. At ang kanyang mga cat snacks. Different flavors like salmon. And the other one is tuna flavor. Sa mga online stores lang, mura lang yan. Mga 3 pesos to 5 pesos. And the shampoo, Saint Dirty. Back in the man, Saint Dirty. Premium 100% natural. Para ma-maintain yung balahibo niya na healthy, hindi maglagas. And this is how I prepare his food. Pwede nyo na lang ihalo sa wet food niya. And since kitten pa siya, 1 ml daily ang vitamins niya. Yan. Mix na lang natin dyan. Yan. So guys, thank you for watching.